Hi, Nick here from Klaus Roofing Systems by Buck Buckley. I want to show you guys a little product we use. This here is a plumbing stack. So you can see here there's kind of a rubber gasket that wraps around the pipe. In this case it's broken and it's in bad shape. We don't like these kinds of gaskets. They tend to break, they tend to wear out in the sun. They don't last as long as the rest of the roof, so you usually end up having to replace them halfway through the life of the roof. So what we use is this. It's perma-boot, has no point of failure. It's not a gasket, it's actually wrapped all the way around, and it just slides down right over the pipe like this. Now, it leaves that little pipe exposed, which is why we have this bit here. This goes down into the pipe itself and seals it off. There's no point of failure, no gasket, nothing's going to be wearing out in the sun. And this will last as long or longer than the rest of the roof itself.